All right, let's look at the homework one, problem number 16. All right, so if you look at this graph, all right, so we got this kind of a S shape. All right, so the basic function would be something that has an S shape. All right, so a cube root of x is more like a S shape, but it's more sideway. Right, x cubed has this shape, so I believe this is the answer. Right, and the absolute value function is going to have the letter V shape, and x is just going to be a linear function. It's going to be a straight line. Right, square root of x is going to have only a graph on the positive side, and x squared is a parabola. Right, so answer is going to be B. Right, so it has this S shape here. Right, let's check the answer. Right, so we got that. Right, next, describe the transformation verbally. Right, so you can see if you make the picture bigger, right, so here, this point, if you have just x cubed, would be sitting at the origin. But you can see that this is going to be moved to the right 1, 2, and then 2 units, and then move up 1, 2, 3 units. Right, so graph is reflected, so there's no reflection. Graph is shifted 2 units to the right, and then 3 units up. Right, so 3 units up. Right, let's check the answer. Right, we got that. Right, to do that, so we want to find the equation. Right, so here we're going to start with x cubed, right? And then to shift it to the right 2 units, you have to put the parentheses around x, and then you want to subtract 2 to go to the right, right? I'll probably demonstrate it using GeoGebra. Hold on a sec here. All right, I opened up GeoGebra here, so I'm going to sketch a y equals x cubed, right? So you have this cubic function, right? If you want to move it to the right 2 units, so what you can do is we can do this, y equals, and put the parentheses around x, and then I'm going to subtract 2. This will, you can see that this is going to shift to the right 2 units, right? So that's what we have here. And then after that, we want to shift up by 3 units. So we're going to have, right? So to do that, we're going to do, so take this function. So I already shifted it 2 units there. And then all we have to do to shift up by 3 units, you can just add 3 at the end. So if you hit that, right, you can see that the picture is shifted up by 3 units. So you can see that if shift, so green one is the original one, and shifted 2 units to the right, and then shifted up 3 units. So this would be the equation. All right, so let's type it in here. All right, so equation would be, so we're going to have plus 3 at the end here. All right, let's check the answer. All right, got that. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.